Feeling unexpectedly flush, we're now ready to spend again. From exclusive and elite, we're going very mass market. We've decided to go for the world's best-selling vehicle. It's not a Model T Ford, a Mini, or even a Toyota Corolla. Topping the charts is this desirable machine, the Honda Super Cub. Originally designed to improve how noodles were delivered in Tokyo, a staggering 100 million have been sold since 1958. This one is the mid-range C70 model from 1972. It cost less than 200 quid when new, and it was good for 150 miles to the gallon.
One of the most iconic little bikes out there. Fantastic little thing, little 3-speed if memory serves. I ran a 50 when I was 16, not for long I might add. It always seemed a lot more sensible to take a tractor. No clutch, look, up and down on that gear stick down there. Toe for upper gear and heel for downer gear if memory serves. It doesn't want a lot, does it, you know? My advice would be replace these bits, which are untidy, paint these bits, which are just on the turn, stick a battery in so it runs, and away you go.
With just 8,600 miles on the clock, this well-preserved 70cc Honda appears to be a surefire bet. And it has a money-making trick up its sleeve. Colin Keith Harvey, or the like, take note.
It has a registration number on it, which is saleable. I believe that to be worth probably over £2,000.
648 is the 1972 Honda C70. Everybody should have a step-through Honda. Everyone should be the law. There we are. Where we're going to be? £1,000 we've got. £1,000, £1,500, £1,600.
I'm ready to go now.
£1,600. Oh, 16, 17. He's doing what I say. £1,700. £1,700 then. £1,700. Are we all done at 17? £1,800.
You're bidding against yourself.
£1,800, 19, £1,900. Are we all done at 1,900? So
Yeah, that is a good price.
Bought a racing machine.
In Barton upon Humber, it's looking like it's going to be a very satisfying day. Rob and Brian have spent weeks perfecting paintwork, cleaning components, and almost fully reconstructing our 50-year-old Honda C70.
I've got it there.
Yep.
I've been trying my best to keep it clean.
They're preparing for an important test.
We've lubed all the chain up. It's got a new sprocket on the back. Front sprocket was like new, so we haven't changed that. We're going to put the chain guard on, because once we've got the chain guard on, we can put the casing on this side of the engine. Once that's on, we're going to go for a start-up. That's it.
It's become tricky at the end. We want to avoid any damage to the new paint. So I hold that at the front, Rob.
Yeah, please, mate.
A little bit of care needed there, of course.
That's it.
Touch more. That's it.
Right, rear shocker is going on. This is that cast aluminium, and it was just years of salt corrosion. They were really pitted. So we bought some new ones. We've just colour changed them from black to blue.
We were lucky to find them, and that goes for the other replacement parts too.
Japanese stuff of this age does tend to be harder to get bits for. Bri's been all over the flipping globe on the internet trying to get aftermarket stuff. It's much easier to get parts for, say, a BSA Bantam or Francis Barnett or something, because they were all made here originally.
But the consolation is working on a bike that's a piece of design genius.
When it was dark and you couldn't see where the keyhole was, you could actually press the horn button. It would put that little light on there, so you can just see the hole where the key's going to go. It's typical Japanese detail.
Starting to look nice, Rob.
What am I going to do, go for a start then?
I think we can, can't we?
Yeah, I'm pleased with that, it looks nice.
Plug cap on?
Yeah, plug's on.
Yes.
And we're running. Oh, we're happy now. Yeah, we're happy.
It sounds well.
It does.
Sounds well, I'm happy with that.
Into gear.
All right.
Off she goes again. She's spinning there. It's all there, everything's working.
Yeah. That's really good.
I'm happy, yeah. I think it looks great. I didn't like the blue so much because I thought it just looked all blue, but now it's got loads of white and chrome and seat on a bit of colour, and that looks good, doesn't it?
There's enough contrast, I think.
Yeah,
on
there
that
is.
Now.
It's a cracker, is that, mate?
A tip-top job from Rob and Brian. But how much did it all cost? Including tax and commission, it was £2,128 to buy. Parts were £1,297, and labour was £3,000. Bringing the total to a very reasonable £6,425.
Oh, stunning. Absolutely stunning. I mean, the boys have made a lovely job. They always make a lovely job. But they've pushed the boat out on this one, so to speak, haven't they? It's really nice. Exhaust, new rims, new tyres, new seat. It's gorgeous. It's like it left the factory, isn't it, really? I mean, to be perfectly frank, it probably wasn't any better when it left the factory.
So we've done all right?
Yeah.
The 1972 Honda C70. Absolutely fantastic. I've got some absentee bids here. I've got 2,000, I've got 3,000, I've got 3,500. At 3,005, 36, 37. At £3,700, are we all done? 38, 39, £4,000 bid. At £4,000.
Oh, this is good, it's great.
£4,000, 4-1.
So we've almost got back the restoration costs.
At 4,005, £4,600. At 4,700, 4,007, 4,800. 4,009, £5,000 we've got. 5-1, 5-2, 5-3, 5-4, £5,500 here on my sheet.
Have you got any more on your sheet?
5,005, I'm not telling you 5,005. Oh no, I think he's put 500 quid, not 5, but no. 5,500, £5,500, £5,500.
It's a fab sale price, but not the final figure. Having decided to put a normal number plate on it and sell the shorter and therefore more desirable one it came with, there's a chance to recoup some extra cash.
560, 570, 580, internet, 590, £600 I've got at 610. I'm going to sell Dave to you at 610 and it's gone.
Still not quite break even, but not far off.
You're getting the hang of it, aren't you? You're all of a sudden, like, you're getting into the run of it, aren't you, really? I mean, you could be making some money soon the way you're going.
New owner Trevor Gould was delighted with his new Honda. His plan? To enter it into some shows, because he hasn't quite got enough rosettes from his other bikes.